with two of Jamaica College's top players, but we'll start out with Frazer first, scoring what must be the goal of your life. First of all, how does it feel to be the champions?
It feels good because last year we have lost and me give it, kick for the penalty. That if everybody remember me, so I come out here with a vengeance in my heart to score and let my team win.
That goal was one of the goals of the season. What gave you the audacity to even attempt a goal like that from there?
I was thinking about it. I was watching a video with Flip Coutinho, cutting inside and curling in the back of the corner. I was watching that, so that come out here and do it.
You were substituted off late in the game. I know you weren't happy about that. What were you thinking at that point when Coach Ferguson decided to take you off?
Film decision, final decision, that's his coach, so I have no problem. We have won. That's the most important thing.
Alright, and I'll ask you, the person standing next to you would have stepped up and missed the first penalty. What was going through your mind at that point?
Nothing was going through my mind because he's my roommate. I told him go the same spot if we go into penalty shootout, and he did it, so I have no problem. And we have won. So the most important thing, we have won the game.
Alright, last question for you, Frazer. You have one more match in schoolboy football, well, maybe two. No, definitely two. You have the finals and then you have the Olivier Shield. What can we expect from you? Can we expect a similar performance to the one you gave us today?
Yes, a similar performance or more better from me, and a goal with that.
Alright, thank you for talking to us. And we're also here with Romain, a stalwart in defense. One of, if not the best defenders in the Manning Cup. Mr. Blake, you're a champion. First of all, congratulations.
Yeah, thanks. It's a good feeling, Yeah, it's a good feeling.
Alright, coming into this game, you're a confident player. But sometimes we see that you have an issue with the players around you and they're confident. How confident do you think your team was coming into this one?
Well, I think it showed on the field. My team was very confident coming into the game. And we came with a fighting spirit, knowing that we lost last year on penalties. So yeah, we came with a fighting spirit and we did the job.
Today you were your usual composed self, making a lot of good tackles and a lot of good passes and a lot of good clearances. Speak to us about how you feel you performed today.
Well, I think for me it's a good performance, but at the end of the day that's not important because we win as a team and we won the Manning Cup,
You guys went up early, to a beautiful Frazer goal. How do you feel at that point and after that point?
Well, I think, going up early, you have to stay concentrated same way, even though it's a final, you go up early, you have to stay concentrated, and the fans from STATHS they were buzzing, so we have to stay concentrated. Yeah.
And you guys would have conceded a goal to who else but Shako and Satchel in the late embers of the game. At that point, did you become nervous any at all?
No, I think it was a defensive error from us, but we have to play on and live with it, and we just kept on fighting, and we came out victorious.
And the dreaded penalty shootout. You're a man who steps up first and converts. Why didn't you score that penalty, Romain Blake?
Well, I think, it's football. We score some, we miss some. And I think today I missed and my team was there to bring me up, so yes. And
lastly, how will you guys celebrate today? And can you talk about it on camera?
No, I don't think it will be a long celebration because, we have a game on Saturday, the final on Saturday, Champions Cup. So, we just celebrate for the weekend and then back at it Monday.
Will Jamaica College be winning the triple?
It's a possibility and that's what we're working for. Yes.
Alright, congrats again, brother.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, man. Good.